in the car or on the car, in the bus or on the bus, in the hospital or at the hospital. Confused? Which one is correct? Don't get confused. Here I am. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So students, today we are going to discuss these special type of preposition that you have to use, particularly with the transport. So keep in mind, when you are moving, when you are traveling in such transport where you can't move around, where you can't move along, so in that case you have to use the preposition in. For example, car is there. Once you have seated, once you have taken your seat, can you stand up? Can you move around? No. So with the car we use the preposition in. I am sitting in the car. Fine. But on contrary to this, if you are traveling in such transport where you can stand, where you can walk, where you can move around, so in that particular case you have to use the preposition on. For example, public transport, bus is there. So once you have taken your seat, so you can change your seat if you can. So you can change the seat by walking, you can move around. Okay? So in that case you have to use on preposition with them. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. जहाँ पर आप चल नहीं सकते हो, ठीक है, एक बार ये अपनी सीट लेने के बाद हम उन ट्रांसपोर्ट के साथ हम यूज करते हैं इन, एंड अदर वन जहाँ पे आप चल सकते हो, जैसे आपका बस है, प्लेन है, उनके साथ हम प्रेपोजिशन कौन से यूज करेंगे? ऑन. द सेकेंड वन इज, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आपने अपनी बुक्स में रीड किया होगा कि आई एम इन द हॉस्पिटल एंड आई एम एट द हॉस्पिटल. सो अगेन देयर इज अ बिग कंफ्यूजन, विच वन इज करेक्ट बिटवीन दीज टू. Grammatically both are correct, but there is a difference between the meanings of these two. The first one is I am in the hospital. In the hospital, it shows that when you yourself are admitted in the hospital, it means you are a patient and you have been admitted in the hospital. In that case you will say I am in the hospital. Fine. But you are not a patient, you have visited the hospital for some other purposes. In that case you will say that I am at the hospital. Fine. Again I am telling, if you are a patient, if you are admitted in the hospital, you will say I am in the hospital. And if you are visiting the hospital for some other purposes, of to meet someone else, you will say I am at the hospital. I hope these two rules are clear to you. From today onwards, you are going to use the correct preposition. So for more such educational videos, stay tuned to my channel, which is Archana Academy. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.